In the depths of the Puget Sound, an unmanned vehicle collects data, and that vehicle is the Seaglider. A Seaglider is an autonomous, buoyancy-propelled, underwater vehicle that is used to collect information on our oceans such as salinity, temperature, and oxygen. It can only communicate with the world at the surface of the ocean through satellite connection. Sometimes Seagliders get damaged and cannot complete missions. The only solution? 11 Aero and Astro students. To mitigate this, we have created a digital twin of the glider to simulate its behavior under nominal and damaged conditions. By comparing the mission data that the Seaglider transmits to that of our digital twin, we can determine if a fault has occurred and isolate what that fault is. Now that is the Damage Assessment Protocol System, also known as the DAP system. Now here is a very real depiction of how our product is used in the piloting room.
It was just a normal day at the Student Seaglider Center. Seaglider 195 is deployed in the Puget Sound.
The Seaglider is back on the surface. It's transmitting the data.
Roger, roger. Running the DAP system.
Pilots, how we looking?
The Seaglider is starting its next dive.
TT, what's our status?
We've compared all mission data to the digital twin. Everything is nominal.
Business as usual.
Seaglider is on the surface. Data is transferring.
Roger, roger. Running DAP system. Mission director, we have a problem.
What did you just say?
Heading, DAP, it's all off.
Pull yourself together, son. What's the diagnosis? Is it sharks? Barnacles? It's okay, it's okay.
Let me go check that.
2 plus 2 plus 1 dive later.
We have a diagnosis. It's full wing loss.
Thank goodness for the ocean capstan team. We would have never known.
Well, team, what are we waiting for? Let's go recover the glider.
Go team!
Ocean Man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean Man, across of a tan man, invite by the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean Man, can you see through the wonder of amazement at the overman? Ocean Man, the crust is elusive when it casts to the traumatic man. Ocean Man.